actually easy if we want to do music here in Bonn.
Who are more handsome, German or Indonesian men?
Oh my God, it is a very difficult question. Study in Indonesia costs a lot of money, and Germany costs.
So do you like it or not?
Yeah.
Because most of the Asians don't like it.
Yeah, if you really have talent, it's easy to explore yourself. Hello, Siti.
How are you?
Fine, I'm fine.
Siti, where are we going today?
I'm going to Migrapolis. Do you want to come with me?
I would like to come.
Can
What are
show
you going to do today?
I do like meeting for musicians, like jam session. Maybe you come.
It's a cultural event.
Culture event. Yeah.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Siti Asia. I come from Indonesia, but living in Bonn, and we have non-government organization. It's an Indonesian verein.
And verein means?
Non-profit organization. We have a place for people who want to do music and jam session. We are in Bonn, in Migrapolis, Haus der Vielfalt, Bonn. So you can come with me, and I will prepare for my event.
Okay, yes.
Drain oder Esmalda Drain.
Can I come and talk to you?
Yeah, of course. You can come, and here is our place. We just try to prepare our event for tonight.
Am I bothering you?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
How did you come to Germany?
I come to Germany because study, but now I'm married and have 3 kids, and stay here because my husband come from Germany and living in Bonn. So I love music. I love to meet people. So I try to make this organization to meet people from all over the world.
And what is your name? What does it mean, Siti?
City is like a town, and Asia is it's a Muslim name.
City means?
City mean like a town. City.
Town. Okay.
City. Yeah.
City. Oh,
Yeah,
like
city.
wow, interesting
City.
name.
Asia.
City in the city.
Yeah, city in the city.
Wow. Being in Germany, Siti, how was it?
Yeah,
Do you have good memories or bad memories?
It was hard for me because the language and because away from my family. I have to start to learn the language, and then it was very hard and start to try to work.
So it was very difficult just because of?
Difficult because of my color, because of my, I'm Asian, and and then because of my language.
So is your language improved?
Yeah, of course, after a while, because I have to learn German.
And how hard was it to set up this organization?
It was hard, but Migrapolis helped me. Then I met a lot of people, and then I can easy to know people and to get job. We have to know the people, and then after that we can talk to people.
So are the local people are open?
It was not easy. That's why we start with the Indonesian community, and then my neighbor and people get to know about this, and then we know each other. But
so what type of discrimination did you face?
From in Bonn is people are open, but I was living in Hanover. It's north of Germany. There are not so many. They are not so open like in Bonn. In Bonn, because there is UN, Deutsche Welle, and the people living here mix. And this is the place where I feel better than other place in Germany.
What is Heimat for you? Like, is it Indonesia or Germany? What would you say?
It was Indonesia. That's why I make this organization to feel like at home.
But now?
After 10 years, I feel Bonn is my home.
Mm-hmm. So, what do you think? If I ask you, which is your Heimat, what is your answer be?
Still Indonesia, but I'm living here with
Why?
children and husband, and I feel like at home, but not my Heimat. Like not.
You miss your culture.
Yeah, I miss
Okay, okay.
culture.
And what do you miss more?
I miss more. Yeah, the people, the sun, the food, and everything
Okay.
about life there in Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
I prepare for the food. This is tofu.
Siti has made it all by herself. Wow. Whoa.
Indonesian
What
food.
type of
Indonesian
what
food.
sort food? If I ask you, like, which food is your favorite, Indonesian or German?
Indonesian, of course.
Uh-huh. Why?
Yeah, because rice, I eat rice. So I need to eat rice every day.
What is this?
It's kerupuk. People knows, but with color.
It's a snack. No?
Yeah.
So I would like to know that when you have an event, so you bring food all prepared by you,
Yeah, I bring food. People can eat.
and you do all this work all by yourself.
Yeah.
And do you think does it pay off? All your hard work?
Yeah, it's a project. So it's what shall I say?
How hard it is for an artist to find career opportunities in Bonn or Germany? For musicians, artists who are not native or locals.
No, it's actually easy if we want to do music here in Bonn.
What do you mean by like?
If you really have talent, it's easy to explore yourself. It's
Okay,
easy.
so give a tip. Like, if suppose I'm an artist, foreigner,
Practice the music what you want to show the people, and then do it on the street, do it everywhere, and then you are willing to do so everywhere. First, of course, without money, but slowly, if you do good, well, and then you can just in the time when you are doing something, you will find somebody who interesting.
Mm-hmm. So you mean that if you have a really talented, then you will probably find your way.
Yeah.
Tip you would give to Indonesian students who want to come here?
Learn German and try to find out how to come to Germany to study, because in Indonesia, study in Indonesia costs a lot of money, and Germany costs free cost. I mean,
Some people say that, okay, I will do without German. What do you say to them?
it will difficult because we are in Germany and we speak German. Hello. Now Germany is very open to us foreigner.
What is the reason you think?
It's because too many students study here, and just life is changing. Now it's global, like global. That's
Feel more home at home now.
yeah. Now it's I feel more home.
Which is the best place for you in Bonn?
It's Rheinauer. Rheinauer. I love the Rheinauer, but in the city is this place just in the center.
Anybody who's new to Bonn, which place do you recommend to them?
It's the city Bonn, just
City center.
the center of Bonn. You know, Mark Place and Munster Place, and then just whole Bonn. You know, the center of Bonn.
I think it's too noisy. We should go. Would you like to walk?
Yeah, of course. I'm walking in the city. Usually, I drive my bike to come to the city, and just walk around in the city and go shopping. To go to Asia shop to buy tofu, tempeh, but it is far from the
So, which
city.
place would you say that is any person can have best Asian food?
To buy the stuff is we have two Asian shop here in Germany, in Bonn. One is in the center and one is in Kolnerstrasse.
And how easy is it to get Asian stuff?
It's
When you have to
easy.
cook something?
It's easy, but the best stuff we can get is in Holland.
Which place is this? Seems like a very
This
quiet
is-
place. And today is Wochenende, a weekend. No?
Yeah, this is just.
Is it always like this?
Yeah.
The weekend is always this quiet?
Yeah, it's because this is not the main street. The main tourist attraction is this side. This is marketplace. So the center of from Bonn.
Okay, so how is a weekend in Germany or Bonn is different than a weekend in Indonesia?
Of course, weekend in Germany is. I mean, Sunday is the shop are closed. In Indonesia, they are open and more crowded. But in Germany, is more quiet. People going out to walk.
So do you like it or not? Because most of the Asians don't like it.
Yeah, it's a little bit too quiet. I mean, in Germany, it's a little bit too quiet.
How smart are you?
Why?
Just why? The three things that you can do in Germany but not in Indonesia. What would it be?
Nowadays in Indonesia, we can do a lot of things. But at that time when I was young, I could not do really music. That's why I do music now in Germany, like playing guitar. And Indonesia is for me is a woman. And that time was not allowed.
Best place, best Asian restaurant.
It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant. There are many.
Like who makes the best Asian food? You think?
It's
Indonesian,
the Indonesian
Japanese.
people.
No. Who makes better Asian food? Comes from Japan, or the best comes from Vietnam, or from Indonesia, or Cambodia,
it's difficult.
or China.
It's difficult to tell because yeah.
Okay, and so is the Chinese food same as the other?
It's nearly the same. Nearly the same like Indonesian food, Thai food, Chinese. We love.
And
this.
which language do you speak in Indonesia?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Do your kids speak the same language, the Muttersprache?
Yeah. I speak Bahasa Indonesia.
Was it hard?
And yeah, Javanese. I come from Java. I speak Java.
Okay, if you have to choose Germany or Indonesia,
Indonesia.
and complete the sentence. German language is
Difficult.
and men. Who are more handsome, German or Indonesian men?
Oh my God, it is a very difficult question because yeah, I can I can say it.
Okay, women,
Yeah.
German or Indonesian?
Indonesian.
And who is more intelligent, Germans or Indonesians?
German. But nowadays,
Your Indonesian friends will be.
no, nowadays there are many
Okay.
Indonesian.
Okay, if I ask, easiest way to learn German?
Easy way to learn German. Just come to Germany and learn the
This is easy.
Yeah,
First get the visa. So
First
easy.
get the visa and then learn German.
Then what German word you find strangest? Weird. Komisch.
The real German, the old.
Which word? Tell one word you find.
One
What
word.
is this? And it sounds very strange in your language.
Yeah, Oslo. I mean, it is.
An Auslander is
Someone people from outside from this country.
the exact meaning. Okay, racism in Germany.
It's you don't really respect to other people. Yeah.
Okay, so Deutsche Bahn is
Off zu spät, immer spät.
which means in English for the
Like
always late.
Most, yeah. Most,
Okay, so donor or currywurst.
Donor.
And I love to wear.
I love to wear Indonesian dress.
Immer always.
Yeah, mostly.
And when you wear, people have You have no problem
No,
with.
no problem. Straightforward. Correct.
Is it good or bad?
It's good. But
Vielfalt, diversity in Deutschland,
yeah, nowadays it's fine now.
and I can't go out without.
I can't go without my hair and my flowers.
And third thing, I'm confident
I'm
about.
confident about myself, just to be myself.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a woman.
I'm a woman from Indonesia. I feel happy to be Indonesian, and it doesn't matter.
Oh,
what.
great. Okay. And my favorite color,
Pink, green, colorful. Yeah,
my favorite German festival.
it's carnival.
And I really don't like about Germany, the thing I would like to change.
The people has to be more relaxed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Stereotypes you have to face about your country or your culture.
Yeah, people say Bali. Yeah, from Bali. I come from Bali. And yeah, Indonesia.
And which is the
Bali.
best place in Indonesia? You would ask people to go and explore.
Or a lot. Lombok, Raja Empat,
Indonesian food you would recommend people to try?
nasi padang.
And any Indonesian celebrity you would ask people to follow on social media, which people should know?
It's our culture, like Indonesian traditional music, Indonesian traditional dance.
Okay. And winter in Germany?
Cold, and I don't like it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, Siti. Thank you very much. Thanks a
You're
lot for your time.
welcome. See you.
Bye.
Bye, Julia. See you later.
See you later. Tschüss.
Cheers.